viewers? It's Eric from Beat Sonic. Today I'm here at ACC USA. This is Shin.
Hello.
He will be doing the install today on a 2017 Toyota 4Runner, installing this front camera interface, a CS6 EP, along with the front camera that we purchased on Amazon. It's gonna be utilizing the factory screen and be able to display your front camera with the push of a button, and we can also set up so that the front camera will turn on automatically, or we could have it timed. It's all programmable. And some background about ACC USA: they specialize in air suspension and also car modification, and they're really meticulous with all their work that we really recommend them for all the LA and Orange County customers that's around this area. That's why we can't pick a better place to get this front camera installed than over here. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Alright guys, we just finished installing the front camera interface using the Amazon front camera. We also sell front camera as well, but if you're on a budget, you can also use the one from Amazon like what we did today. We had to make a custom bracket just to get that exact angle that we're looking for, so that when you press that button, the front camera shows up, you'll know exactly where that cutoff line is. If you're looking for an installation that is that meticulous and perfect, make sure you contact Shin at ACC. The information is below. Otherwise, if you have any other information about the product, you can also contact us at info@beatsonicUSA.com. Thank you. Right, let's go eat some pizza.